Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Krishna Gopal. In this video, we're going to talk about a day in the life of a data scientist. What are the activities we have to be performed as a data scientist in a daily routine? So, do you think the data scientist only build the different kind of models? Maybe yes, when we are as a student or when we try to switch the transition from our career to the data science, or when we are preparing for the data science, or when we are or if we are studying masters or bachelors and going to be pass out, going to have an data science. But in the reality, we as a data scientist have to spend only 10 to 30% of our time in building the model, and rest of the time we have to be clean the data, we have to pre-process the data in the structure format, and we have an ability to tell the data through the visualization, that is an storytelling. So the storytelling is the part of a data science which is underrated. The storytelling is much more important, what I learned in my career, and we can tell the story by through the good visualization, because a data scientist before build the model should understand what data want to speak to us. It's not only to the client or is not only to your boss, it's to you also. What's your data want to speak to you? That's very important, because if I'm going to build some kind of a model, I have to do the future engineering is one of the most important part of building the model. So how I do the future engineering, how I get the sense of the data. First, I should have either domain knowledge, or I am sitting with some domain expert that can give me some idea regarding that, so I can build the features. Next, I have a good data visualization, or I can see with the help of my visualization what can be the best feature. If I can do the mathematics, I can perform the mathematical operation and can get the good features and can increase the model accuracy, is the one kind of a thing. So what actually I want to convey here, a data scientist should be a good data analyst first, then he should be or she should be a data scientist. Because there's a if I talk about what the time we spend in the daily activities, we spend near about 10 to 70% of our time in the data cleaning and the data pre-processing. Then the rest of the time we have to build the model, we have to improve our model, and then we have a good presentation. Even if I talk about myself, as a data scientist, I have to do a lot of data cleaning. I have to spend a lot of days so that my data should look good. So fetching the information is an easy way. So in this series of the videos, what I'm going to show you, how we can perform the different kind of a data visualization in the data set, how we clean the data, and how we perform the deep data analysis. So for this series, I'm going to take one data set from the Kaggle. I'm talking about 2021 Kaggle Machine Learning and Data Science Service. It's an ongoing competition, and it's be a 1 month to go to complete this competition. You also try to build a report with me, and at the end of this series, we submit our reports in this competition, and I hope it will be a good and amazing journey of data visualization. So don't forget to watch all the videos of this series, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe this channel for getting the more videos. Thank you, and have a nice visualization in the next videos. We will meet you soon in the next video with this data set, and I will show you how we can perform a different kind of data visualization.